Okay, this is a review of the new Kobalt double drive screwdriver. Okay, in the set, which is about $20 or 19 and change, you have the double drive screwdriver. You get a flexible bit extension, and you get a bit kit. Now you can see the extension just goes in, so you could reach awkward angles or whatever you need to. It's great for accessing fasteners in corners, and you have another Phillips bit in the tip. Now if you want to carry this with you, you do have a neat compartment. You could hold a couple of bits, probably all of the bits. Right now, the screwdriver itself is pretty neat. You have a switch here for direction. Forward is for tightening screws. Reverse is for removing screws. Now you can use the driver in multiple ways. If you use it as a regular driver, it will have somewhat of a ratcheting mechanism. Right, you see I'm holding the bit, so you can turn to the right, and then if you're tightening a screwdriver, you move to left, and it just resets. So you could use it in this manner. But the way it's meant to be used is you hold the blue collar here, and then you drive your fasteners. Now watch the direction of the bit, and I guess you could call this top of the mechanism. Not sure what it is. But hold the blue collar, and look at that. Turn the screwdriver to the right, bit goes to the right. Turn the screwdriver to the left, and then the bit still goes clockwise to tighten your screws. So theoretically, this could half the time it takes to drive a screw. Now flip the switch in reverse, hold the collar, and the bit moves in reverse to remove a screw. So you turn it to the right, driver moves to the left. You turn the driver to the left, and the screw still moves to the left. Neat, huh? Okay, so here's just a simple test. Now I'm a righty, but for sake's purposes, I'll pretend I'm a lefty. Okay, so when we turn the driver without holding the collar, you can see as it kind of ratchets back and forth. Now holding the collar, you can see that turning the driver to the right and to the left both drive the screw in. And finish it off, it's easier done with one hand. There you go. To remove it, and we'll start off just without the sleeve because I find that would be easier. And then for rapid removal, and there you have it. So it's a new Kobalt double drive screwdriver.